Have you heard this line before? He who angers you controls you. Powerful, isn't it? But let me ask you something. Have you ever had one person completely ruin your mood? Maybe a rude client, maybe a family member, a colleague, or worse, a random comment on social media from somebody who doesn't even know you. And suddenly, your whole day changes. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, something happens and you replay the conversation in your head. You feel irritated, your energy drops, your creativity disappears, your peace is gone, which means what? For those few hours, you handed over the remote control of your life to somebody else. And honestly, that is a very expensive thing to do because anger doesn't just spoil your mood, it affects your decisions, your relationships, your work, your health, and sometimes even your destiny. I learned this lesson the very hard way. Years ago, during an important project presentation, somebody made a very dismissive remark about my ideas in front of others. Now, as creative people, we put our heart and soul into our work. So naturally, I felt hurt and angry. For the next few hours, I wasn't even thinking about the project anymore. I was mentally arguing with that person in my head. That imaginary fight we all have in the shower afterwards, where suddenly we become very intelligent and come up with all the perfect answers. Yes, that one. And then I realized something very important. The other person had probably moved on with their day, had lunch, had coffee, maybe even taken a nap. But I was the one suffering. That day I understood anger is like drinking poison and expecting other people to fall sick. And from then on, I started observing something fascinating. The calmer person is usually the more powerful person, not weak, powerful. Because self control is superpower. Today, especially in this hyper digital world, people get triggered every few minutes. One comment, one message, one disagreement, one scene without reply, and boom, emotional chaos. Maturity is learning this. Not every reaction deserves your reaction. Sometimes silence is strength. Sometimes walking away is wisdom. Sometimes smiling is victory. So, how do we stop giving people this power over us? Here are 3 simple tips. Tip number 1: pause before reacting. Not every emotion needs immediate expression. When angry, don't send that message immediately. Don't react instantly. Take a walk, drink water, breathe. Even a 2-minute pause can save a 2-year regret. Tip number 2: ask yourself, will this matter after 5 days, 5 months, or 5 years? Most things we get angry about are actually very temporary. Traffic, opinions, ego clashes, tiny misunderstandings. Don't give permanent emotional damage to temporary situations. And number 3, protect your peace like it is your greatest luxury. Because honestly, it is. Your peace affects your creativity, your relationships, your sleep, your health, your confidence, everything. Not everyone deserves access to your emotional system. Learn to respond, not react. There's a huge difference. Reaction is emotional, response is intelligent. And remember, the strongest people are not those who shout the loudest. They are the ones who remain centered when the world around them becomes chaotic. So the next time somebody tries to provoke you, smile internally and think, sorry, the remote control of my mind stays with me. If this video connected with you, do share it with someone who needs this reminder today. Remember, emotional freedom is real success. And yes, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling. Till next time.